Hello guys, welcome back to another things, but for today's video, we're going to show you how to fix iPhone 16 Pro Max not charging. So if you're having problems with your iPhone 16 Pro Max here and it's not charging when you're trying to charge it, obviously, well, there are a few things here that you may want to do. So first things first is you want to check if the problem itself is going to be your charging cord or your adapter here. So what we need to do first here is you want to get your charger here and your charging cable, and in this case you want to maybe like twist your cable here when you're plugging it into your charging port on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So like maybe like twist it a bit and just plug it in there and see if it actually helps. Now sometimes the problem itself is going to be the wiring inside your charger. So especially like if you have it already for like a year or months already, well sometimes it might be a problem. So sometimes twisting it can actually help. Now, if that doesn't work, maybe try another cord that you could use for, or another charging cord here for your iPhone 16 Pro Max. Just make sure that you're using something that is compatible with an iPhone. Sometimes other cords out there might not be compatible. So again, go ahead and use one that is compatible. Also, try switching out your actual adapter here. So maybe use another one. So if you have any compatible adapters as well, use or replace the one that you currently have just to test it out. Now, if none of this actually work, you may want to check on your actual port itself to see if there are any like dirt inside of it. Like you might not notice this, so sometimes if you put it in your bucket, sometimes like lint or debris might get stuck in there. So if you do see any debris, I would suggest you to turn off your iPhone first. Don't do this if it's turned on, and you want to get like a small needle and just clean it out. So don't be too harsh on the port itself. Just slowly move out or clean out any debris is stuck on it. But yeah, so if none of this actually work, the problem itself might be your actual iPhone. So might be in the charging port area here. So you may want to contact support for this one. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like, subscribe to End of the Inspo. Thank you for watching.